Hello everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome to my live broadcast again. Last broadcast I have introduced the rPET microfiber, have described the rPET cleaning cloth. This time we will show the cleaning mops. This is rPET cleaning mops. It also have passed the recycled GRS certification. This mop, the surface is the twist loop fabric. This twist loop fabric with a long lifetime, it means it's durable using. You could say the rim is the bonding rim, which make the mops looks beautiful and not scrap your furniture. The back side is Velcro. You could see the Velcro loop is very long. It gives more times using. We also have the hanger design. The hanger design is very easy for you to hang up the mops and quickly dry the mop. After the mop introduction, let's look at the function. This mop also could have a quick water absorption. After the water absorption, let's look at the color fading. You could see there's no color in the white fabric, which means the color fading is qualified. Okay, this is the mops introduced today. Looking forward to see you next time. See you.